In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Apple AirPods microphone not working. Now there's plenty of videos out there that show you how you can unpair and repair the device to fix any connectivity issues. But if you can hear audio but the microphone doesn't work during calls, then this is the fix for you. So what the problem is the microphone here at the bottom of the AirPods. Now on this AirPod, I don't know if you can see, there normally be a wire mesh grill. Now I've noticed that while I was looking at the bottom of them, it looked like there was earwax there, but it's not actually earwax, it's actually the glue that's used to hold the wire mesh together that over a year becomes activated again and causes problems to this microphone. Now as you can see, there is no wire mesh there per se, but if I put these needles in and just poke about, you should see, I don't know if you can see actually, there we go, this glue like substance, there we go, look at that, glue like substance that's coming out from the bottom of the AirPods. And what it is the wire mesh that's used to secure the mesh to protect the microphone. The glue becomes active again, so on the surface it appears the glue is wet, so it looks like it's earwax. So you may clear this area and notice the wire mesh comes away. That's not going to solve the issue. The problem is there's a small little film of glue that has dried above the microphone. So if you get some needle pliers, they're gonna be some big pliers. If you get some if you get some needle nose tweezers, maybe a pin or something like that, you should be able to remove, hopefully this is in focus, the glue film that is stuck. There we go. You see that? That is a part. Let's see if we can focus that. That is the wire mesh. So you see that the wire mesh, because I've been cleaning it with a cotton bud, is all moved around because the glue is fresh. That's on the surface, but you still can't see a hole. You should be able to see a hole here in the middle. And the reason why you can't see the hole is because it's covered with a layer of glue that's dried. And I can see I was just moving it about, and if I now try to grab said glue, there we go. I should hopefully see this. There we go. It's this piece of glue. I can see that, put it to focus. It's that glue that has dried over the microphone after becoming reactivated during a period of a year. I put this down to the heat generated while charging in the case. It reactivates the glue for some reason. That forms a skin over the microphone that blocks the microphone. On top of the skin, you get a substance that looks like it's earwax, but actually it's just the glue that's been activated through the heat. This glue forms the skin of the microphone, and you can no longer hear yourself in video calls, and the other person can't. And now, as you can see, we've removed that film. We can now see the whole of the microphone. This is now going to pick up the sound, and just like that, you have fixed your AirPods. Now yes, you no longer have the wire mesh here, and yes, you still have a bit of glue residue. So if I just move these needle nose pliers about, you'll probably see there's that activated glue and some fibers there. But a little bit of IPA on a cotton bud or cloth, lightly clean that area, and that is good to go. So you can see that there's the whole of the microphone that gets blocked by the glue that becomes reactivated, forms a skin over the microphone, and then the rest of the glue stays activated above the mesh and it appears though it's earwax or anything like that. This is 99.9% the fix that you'll need for your AirPods to fix the microphone not working in calls, etc, etc, and it's all because of that glue. And that's all you need to do in order to fix your AirPods. So it's not the pairing issue, it's not connectivity issue, it's not a hardware issue, it's this glue that has formed the skin of the microphone and is actively wet on top of that microphone that is causing the problem. Now make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. If you've got any comments down below in the comment section, and we'll see you guys in the next tech video right here on RME TV.